Pond pumps are the heartbeat of a healthy water feature, driving circulation, filtration, and aeration that keep fish healthy, algae in check, and beneficial bacteria thriving. When choosing among submersible, inline, solar, or aerator-style pumps, buyers must weigh flow rate, head height.
List number 1. Hyblo HP80 Pond Aerator Septic Linear Air Pump. The Hyblo HP80 is positioned as a premium, long-lasting aeration pump for ponds up to about half an acre at shallow depths. It's a non-lubrication, oil-free model with outdoor UL rating and a claimed 80 liters per minute maximum flow, 2.4 meters lift, and a 71W footprint. The unit emphasizes reliability, serviceability, rebuilt up to twice at a fraction of replacement cost, and durable construction intended for continuous operation. Included details like a 5/8 ID hose connection and recommended tubing sizes help ensure a predictable minimal pressure setup for most mid-sized ponds. Performance-wise, the HP80 delivers consistent air delivery with a focus on longevity and lower maintenance cost over time. The ability to rebuild the unit can significantly reduce lifetime costs for customers in demanding installations, though it requires access to replacement parts and a bit of hands-on maintenance. In practice, the 80 liters per minute at moderate head should keep dissolved oxygen levels up in ponds with modest fish loads, but users with deeper or heavily stocked ponds may need larger or multiple units.
List number 2. Oyo Water Outdoor 1800 GPH 100 watt 32.8 feet small pond waterfall. This Oyo Water model is a robust 1800 GPH submersible pump rated at 100 watts with a very long 32.8 feet cord, IPX8 protection, and a 14-foot lift height. The marketing emphasizes quiet operation and versatility, waterfall, fountain, and general circulation. It ships with a protective pump bag and a mesh screen to help prevent debris ingress, which is practical for informal ponds and small water features, exposed to leaves and occasional fish grazing. In use, the 1800 GPH rate translates to strong surface movement and good fountain height for small to medium features. Real-world performance under partial shade or dust accumulation will depend on flow adjustments and head height. The long cord simplifies placement away from power outlets, while the included filtration-like bag aids maintenance. The absence of bells and whistles keeps costs down, but this pump excels as a plug-and-play option for homeowners who want reliable water movement without extra complexity.
List number 3. Water Rebirth 3200 GPH 175 watt. Water Rebirth offers a high-flow 3200 GPH 175 watt submersible pump designed for larger ponds or water features with a claimed 5.5 meters maximum lift. It emphasizes durability with silicon carbide shaft components, anti-dry protection, and a heat overload sensor for continuous operation. The unit is marketed as versatile for fountains, ponds, aquariums, and hydroponics, with a 1-year warranty and a focus on quiet operation. Performance-wise, this pump targets larger volumes, suitable for ponds with higher fish loads or bigger features. The silicon carbide shaft and anti-dry protection imply improved longevity in dirty or debris-prone environments, though routine maintenance is still required to prevent clogging. The 53.33 GPM converted rating aligns with the stated higher flow, yet real-world performance depends on head height and the presence of debris. It's a strong option for buyers who need significant circulation without moving up to external aerators.
List number 4. MadeMax Solar Bird Bath Fountains Pump. The budget-friendly MadeMax solar pump targets simple solar-powered water movement for bird baths, ponds, and small decorative setups. It offers 6 nozzle options and a small form factor with a stated spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters in direct sun. A retainer mechanism helps keep the unit in place within the bird bath, reducing spillover and water loss. The device operates purely on solar power with no energy storage and emphasizes ease of use and water feature variety at a minimal price. In practice, Solar operation means performance is highly weather dependent and requires direct sun for any meaningful spray height. The 6 nozzles enable varied patterns, but the absence of a battery or storage makes it unsuitable for night use or cloudy days. The compact design is ideal for small bird baths and decorative ponds, and the retainer helps manage splash, though it doesn't address fouling or long-term debris buildup. For gardeners seeking a low-cost, low-maintenance option,
List number 5. Oyo Water Outdoor 3000 GPH-155W 32.8 feet Pond Waterfall. This Oyo water model doubles the 1800 GPH class with a 3000 GPH rating and 155W consumption, offering a higher head height, up to 17 feet, and the same long cord and IPX8 protection. The marketing emphasizes a stronger, quieter operation with a mesh bag for debris protection and a durable copper-wired motor with a ceramic shaft designed for continuous 24/7 use. The product is positioned as a robust option for medium to large ponds or more ambitious fountain setups. Performance-wise, the 3000 GPH rating translates to substantial flow for sizable features, with the 17-foot lift enabling taller waterfalls. The dual emphasis on strength and quiet operation makes it suitable for evenings in the yard. Debris management via the included pump bag helps reduce maintenance, though regular cleaning remains important in debris-heavy ponds. Overall, it provides a strong balance of power, reliability, and user-friendly maintenance for serious hobbyists.